Hi lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video we are hooking up our adorable crochet baby rompers designs ideas. Hope so you like this video in different collections, so please watch this video till end without skip and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Get ready to create a comfortable and stylish garments for your little ones. Hope you like this pattern and different ideas. In this video we will be making a stylish baby rompers designs ideas. These are perfect for these every occasion, and this romper is sure to impress. Hope you like this video. So let's get started. First let's start with the foundation chain. Next we will add some pattern and texture. To shape these sleeves we will use different techniques, and you use different embellishments like button, beads, pearls, applique work, stones and many different accessories you use and decor your rompers easily. Experiment with different yarn, color and texture. Try using different stitches, pattern or romper styles. You add some more embellishments like iron stickers and different crochet flowers and different accessories you use and decor your rompers easily. And that's it, your beautiful and lovely look crochet comfortable baby's romper is complete, ready for gift for your lovely ones, little ones and others. If you want to see more ideas, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas. And please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, full DIY tutorial, full detailed videos. Thanks for stitching along with me, and please be share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next new more videos about crochet work and knitting work, and be share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next new more videos about crochet work, knitting work, handmade embroidery and many different ideas. If you want more information, so please like my videos and share with your friends, with your relatives, with your customers. These all the crochet work, jumpsuit and rompers are easy to knit at home with the help of crochet hook and yarn. And if you want to buy these, you visit many different websites such as taras.pk, AliExpress, Etsy.com, Clicky and my official website Be Patron. You visit and order your favorite design and pattern ideas. Hope so you like this video. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself and please be share your creativity with us. Take care.